I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 lag on Fortnite. First, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. A slow connection is a common culprit. Next, try a simple restart of both your PlayStation 5 console and your internet router. This can often clear temporary glitches. Finally, close any applications running in the background on your PS5, as they can consume valuable system resources and bandwidth. For a more reliable connection, always prioritize using an Ethernet cable to link your PlayStation 5 directly to your router. This significantly reduces latency compared to Wi-Fi. You might also improve speeds by adjusting your PS5 DNS settings to public servers, such as Google DNS at 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS at 1.1.1.1. Don't forget to check your router for any pending firmware updates, as these often include performance enhancements. Inside Fortnite, reducing graphics settings like view distance, shadows, and textures can dramatically improve frame rates and reduce lag. Experiment with these options to find a balance. Also, check your PlayStation 5 system settings for any features that might be consuming resources unnecessarily and disable them. Regularly clearing your console system cache is another effective step, as it removes temporary data that can accumulate and hinder smooth gameplay. If lag persists, consider rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database through safe mode. This can resolve corrupted data issues. Always maintain ample free storage, ideally at least 15 to 20 gigabytes, as a full drive can impact performance. Finally, if you must use Wi-Fi, optimize your router's physical placement. Ensure it's centrally located, elevated, and away from obstructions to maximize signal strength and minimize interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.